thought I'd pop a quick video up. I've got a here fridge freezer. That's it right there. It's an Australian New Zealand model. If you can see that there. So it's a HRF 422TW1. Now I could only see, I don't know, like American videos on how they sort their fridge freezer out, but basically the problem is the freezer's nice and cold and the fridge is getting hot. So that means things like the compressors working and all that guff making the freezer work. Yeah, so what I did is, bear in mind I haven't confirmed that this has fixed it yet, but that's pretty much the back panel. And there, this is the we've got the heating element down here, and what's this called? The evaporator. This is the bit that makes it cool. In a lot of American videos, this was all sort of frosted up. And this is the hole down here where the fan sort of blows air down. My one wasn't blocked up there. And I've confirmed that the fan was working. So basically you've got to, yeah, there's this is the duct that it sort of gets blown down. I don't know if you can see in there. But one of the things that could confuse people is on this front where it says cold and coldest. This is for the freezer, and when you put it on cold, that opens that vent up and allows more air to flow down into the fridge, so to actually make the fridge colder. When you have it on coldest, it fully blocks that hole up, that vent there, and so you've got pretty much nothing getting down to the fridge. So if you want to make your fridge colder, you have it on cold in the freezer. Yeah, the other thing that confused me a bit, I don't know how much of this you're going to see, but I'm kind of short, so use a thing, but if you climb right up into it, and you can actually see there's a little black drain hole, and it's quite deceptive. So I thought that this was all clear, but it actually had almost a clear layer of frost through it, ice rather. So I've just been pouring hot water into here until it drained away, and it took a heap of stuff too. Probably about 2 jugs of boiling hot water, and I didn't even realise that it had frozen up. That comes down to this drain hole. That bit there, it's meant to drain in here. That was sort of completely dry, like it hadn't had anything for ages. It's feeding a bit of 2.5mm wire up there, and that didn't do anything. I was able to get it all the way up, and then it just sort of hit, and you can't see, doesn't seem to come out that black hole up the top there. But yeah, it was the hot water that did it for me. So whether that's going to fix my problem, I don't know. But yeah, it couldn't hurt to have that drain going again. I also tested the element, defrost element. That's these two here. And I think I got about 230 ohms between them, showing that the element's likely to be good. But yeah, I can't really see if that fan's working and the freezer's cold, why this shouldn't be working. The next thing I'm going to look at is there is a thing down in here, thermostat control for the fridge, but yeah, we'll see where this gets us first. Okay, hope that's useful. I'll yeah, have an update to this, see if it's worked.